Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I was thinking to create a Halloween nails design, and for the first time I was trying this technique with water and gel. Let's see how it's going to look. I'm doing finger by finger using a combination of black and orange gel polish. In a glass of water, I just drop some black and orange gel polish and dip my finger in it. It is looking messy. I clean it off camera and took me a while. I believe something I'm not doing right, but the end look of this ringer looks just fine. If you have any suggestions on this method, please leave me a comment. At the end, I'm just using a top coat and I'm moving to the next finger. If you like my channel, give a like and subscribe please. It will really help me to have more exposure on YouTube. I am uploading weekly videos. Follow my Instagram account at beautifulforlove.nails for more content please. Watch the video till the end to see the final look. For the middle finger design, I will put the link up. You can go and check it please. I changed the glass for a plastic cup because the gel gets stick to the glass and makes it difficult to wash it off. At this point I am using a bamboo cuticle stick to mix the gel colors to create a design somehow. I dip my finger in it and again it is looking messy, so I start cleaning it on camera. It is still looking messy. Using a bamboo stick and some cotton dipped in alcohol. And as much as I want to keep this design is looking like a spider and is perfect, I will still have to wash it off and redo it. At this point I mess it up. I'm starting all over. I clean it off camera this time. I am using a fine art brush to touch color where is messy. After that I'm applying the top coat and cure it under LED lamp and using a drill bit to remove the cure gel near the cuticles to not look so messy. It ended up pretty well, but I still have to make it better. Now I am using peel-off tape to avoid the messy gel on my finger. I am waiting for it to dry and you will see when it becomes clear. With both black and orange, I am creating some circles inside the circle to see how it will look. totally different design than I had in mind, but still workable. I removed the tape before curing it and clean off the excess gel. It is looking pretty well. Going to the thumb, I am applying a base gel and going with orange color, one coat. I cure it and create something with the black gel. I think it's a splash of something scary and undefinable for Halloween. Looks fine. I top it off and let's see the final look. Here it is. I am using some cuticle oil and hello Halloween! So if you like my channel, please give a like, comment your suggestions for Halloween, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at beautifulforlove.nails. See you in my next video. Have a nice day all.